Miami Beach homeowners enjoy sunshine, ocean breezes, and vibrant coastal living, but they also face challenges like heat, humidity, salt air, and seasonal storms. Choosing the right windows is essential for maintaining comfort, protecting interiors, and enhancing the overall look of a home. One window style that continues to stand out for coastal properties is the double-hung window. With its classic design and modern performance upgrades, double-hung windows offer Miami Beach homeowners a perfect balance of functionality, durability, and style. Here are the top benefits of installing double-hung windows in Miami Beach homes. Flexible ventilation for coastal comfort. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their dual sash design. Both the upper and lower sashes can be opened independently, giving homeowners complete control over airflow. This flexibility allows you to open the bottom sash to bring in fresh ocean air, open the top sash to release warm, humid air, open both sashes to create natural air circulation. In Miami Beach's warm climate, this ventilation helps reduce indoor humidity and keeps living spaces comfortable without relying solely on air conditioning. Improved indoor comfort and temperature control. Double-hung windows help regulate indoor temperatures by supporting both natural ventilation and strong insulation when closed. Modern versions are designed with tight seals that block heat transfer and prevent drafts. Energy-efficient upgrades include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings that reflect heat and UV rays, durable weather stripping that keeps humid air out. These features help keep homes cooler during hot Miami Beach summers while maintaining consistent indoor comfort year-round. Safer ventilation for families and pets. Safety is an important consideration for many Miami Beach homeowners, especially families with children or pets. Double-hung windows provide a safer way to ventilate your home by allowing airflow through the upper sash while keeping the lower sash closed. This design reduces the risk of accidental falls, keeps children and pets safely away from open window areas, maintains secure locking systems even during ventilation. It's a practical solution for enjoying fresh air without compromising safety. Easy cleaning and low maintenance. Salt air and coastal moisture can cause buildup on windows, making easy cleaning a major benefit in Miami Beach homes. Double-hung windows are designed with convenience in mind. Many feature tilt and sashes that allow you to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. Homeowners appreciate simplified window cleaning, reduced need for ladders or professional cleaning services, frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials that resist corrosion. Low maintenance is especially valuable in coastal environments where exposure to salt and humidity is constant. Classic style that complements coastal architecture. Double-hung windows offer timeless appeal that fits beautifully with Miami Beach's mix of historic homes, modern condos, and coastal-inspired designs. Their clean lines and balanced proportions enhance both traditional and contemporary exteriors. Customization options include frame colors like white, bronze, or black, decorative grid patterns for classic charm, slim frames for a modern, minimalist look. This versatility allows homeowners to enhance curb appeal while maintaining architectural harmony. Durability designed for coastal conditions. Miami Beach's environment demands windows that can withstand moisture, salt air, and intense sunlight. Modern double-hung windows are built using materials specifically chosen for durability in coastal climates. High-performance materials resist warping, rust, and corrosion, hold up against humidity and UV exposure, maintain smooth operation over time. This durability ensures long-term performance and reduces the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Increased home value and long-term savings. Installing double-hung windows is a smart investment that adds value to your home. Buyers in Miami Beach look for properties with energy-efficient, low-maintenance features that support coastal living. Benefits include lower energy bills, enhanced comfort and functionality, increased resale appeal, long-lasting performance. These advantages make double-hung windows a worthwhile upgrade for both current enjoyment and future value. A smart window choice for Miami Beach living. Double-hung windows offer Miami Beach homeowners an ideal combination of ventilation, comfort, safety, durability, and timeless style. Their ability to manage airflow, resist coastal conditions, and enhance both interior and exterior appeal makes them one of the most practical window options available. If you're looking to upgrade your home with windows that deliver lasting comfort and coastal-ready performance, double-hung windows are a smart and stylish solution.